This is Dohikosu chutney. Today I am going to make Dohikosu chutney which has many health benefits. Please take a look at my video how to make Dohikosu chutney.
I am cutting a leaf with its stem from this arum. Its scientific name is Alocasia indicuscate. It is a kind of arum which becomes as soft as curd once boiled, and hence it is called dohikoshu in a Siamese language, which means curd arum. This arum has been used by my ancestors to kill or get rid of tapeworm from the human body by consuming it as food. Today I am going to show you how to make a very tasty chutney dish with this arum. At first, I am peeling it and cutting it into small pieces. Now boiling it for a few minutes. I am not using pressure cooker to cook it, as it uses to make it very soft, and it creates problem in preparing the chutney. After boiling it, let it cool down to room temperature. Now I am going to crush and mix it with 2 numbers of garlic, 1 onion, small amount of ginger, and a boot chili to give a spicy hot taste to the chutney dish. After crushing and mixing it, I am keeping it in a bowl made of glass. Now I am heating small amount of mustard oil with mustard seeds for a minute. Now I am pouring it on the chutney dish. Now eat it with any dish or meal you like. It can be extremely tasty if prepared well. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.
Bye.